Let's generate a cinematic video prompt with my custom GPT. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. Now copy this prompt and head over to Google Veo 3. Choose your preferred prompt output style. Now paste the ChatGPT prompt into the text box. Run the prompt. It'll usually take a couple minutes to generate. Here's the first look at the generated video. Pretty solid. Happy with it? Download in higher resolution? Play it back one final time. And that's it. Cinematic video made easy with Google Veo 3. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more.